The alert element is a straightforward element that you add to your site to draw attention to a notice, something like site maintenance or a sale or an event. Let's bring it in by clicking on the plus, and from the Add Elements drawer, select Alert, click, hold and drag and drop it onto the page. You have a title, select it and type in your own title. And then you have a description where you can add a little bit more. For each of these, you can style them separately with their own fonts and sizes by clicking on them and then styling them out, as well as changing the colors for each one respectively. You can also align them again respectively, but it's best to keep them in the same line. The close button also has features. You can change the icon, also the spacing of the close button in relation to where it is situated in the alert, and add a background if you so wish. For the entire alert section, click in the top right corner to access the settings and go all the way to the left. It is good to leave the close button on so that people can close it out, but you have the option to deactivate that. By activating it, you can put a delay on the button, which will let the close button appear after a set amount of seconds. If you just want the title at the top, you can detoggle display description, and that will take the subheading away. Then the rest of the features, like the background, add a border, and even a shadow, as well as hover states. And then you can go to your settings, your stylings with your normal padding and margins, as well as your effects for entrance animation and scroll.